then many people want me to share false eyelashes. I jumped out $5 this time, all from the egg. The peach is that I have used so many of their family, and the 5 pairs I carefully selected today are okay. Okay, first of all, our first mate, his name is Gao Jisui. Sister, I was popular 2 days ago, and I wore tens of thousands of makeup. It's what a lot of people like to wear. I think it's really that special one. His adjacent single tufted eyelashes are staggered, so you have eye contact. Then he's going to be a little bit of a patchwork. It feels like he's the bushy type, but he's not the furry type. It's the kind of meteor beauty with a little glamorous feeling. In short, he's very beautiful. Don't come and report a picture to everyone. This doesn't seem to be my favorite lately. Are you guys like this? The feeling of boldness, the feeling of butterflies. Okay, this is our second pair. It was this charming villain who brought him. I remember he brought it twice, and then the videos he sent these 2 times exploded. Fighting very happy. Here it is. It looks richer than the previous one. The pressure will also get heavier. Under normal circumstances, put the pressure of your painting to. After he looks like this, he jumps up and comes out. Next is the third one, which is the gold version. The brown one. One item. It's the smallpox of the plush world, I think. The board was special the first time I wore it. Many people like it very much, but compared with the previous ones, I think it is A. Thickest. A dense piece, the one at the end of its eyelashes, the hairy one, which is more disordered. So it's really for you are a very wild fluffy. The velvet feels a little more present. It's definitely the strongest mixed race one, and it's brown. Will it be more special than black? Okay, let's take a picture together. Zhang Tu. Okay, for fourth one is this peach heart enthusiast. Yeah. If you want to bring such a warm and natural pendant that you spend your daily life with, just choose him, but I think he's also very suitable for that kind of freshness. Before my set of photos, many old fans liked it very much. The result is that he can be very fresh. If I have a strong personality, yes. It is said that after wearing it, you feel very depressed. Just your eyes can't breathe. Although, of course, I think he will be more outrageous, but you believe it. Okay then, it's the end. One is pretty spicy Barbie, and this one is more picky because he is very rich. He doesn't bring much fruit. I went out to play once before and took him once. Of course, this is indeed a very fake fan, but he is indeed. Shipai is also the kind that has a stronger plush feel because the detail of the eyelashes also has a more irregular plush feeling. It's exactly that Barbie's. The villain in there, the kind with that, and then if you want to bring it. My dad meant why I took him to be boring, so boring. I don't know. Right. my appetite is just a soft spot. I don't know. I hope you like this beautiful style. I hope this video of mine can help you. Goodbye.